Hello, thanks for stopping by. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple process of entering a support ticket and contacting Braver for help. There are two main ways to contact Braver for support: by phone or by sending an email to our support portal. When calling Braver, you'll reach someone right away. The person answering the phone will take your information and enter a support ticket for you. Alternatively, you can email support directly at support@bravertechnology.com. This automatically creates a ticket in our system, ensuring your request is tracked and handled quickly. Just a reminder, emailing any other address or replying to a Braver email that is not our support email, or even reaching out to a Braver employee directly could cause delays in getting your issue resolved. To make sure your issue is addressed as quickly as possible, always start a fresh email for new issues to our support@bravertechnology.com address, or you can reply to the current ticket email you received when working on an issue that's already in our system. Whether you are calling in or emailing, we'll need a few key details to make sure we can address your issue quickly and provide faster, more accurate service. This information is important for every ticket, even if you've been a client of ours for years. When providing the best contact phone number, please include an extension if there is one. We'll ask for the best contact number every time you call in or you reach out to ensure that we know exactly how to most reliably reach you for this instance. If you have specific times we should contact a different phone number, like if you're working from home in the morning or in the office in the afternoon, make sure to let us know. The more detail you can provide, the quicker we can assist you. Of course, we'll also need some details about the issue you're facing and who's affected by the problem. Are there any error messages you're seeing or steps you may have already taken? And if this issue is time sensitive or urgent, always let us know. When emailing in a ticket, giving a brief idea of the issue in the subject line is super helpful. If you are emailing in a ticket, you can also put urgent or time sensitive in the subject line to give us a quick heads up. And if it is really an emergency and you are emailing in a ticket, make sure you follow up with a phone call so that we know how important it is. Regardless of how you contact us, it's important to provide the right information to ensure we can assist you. Know that we have an all-hands-on-deck approach to answering the phone. You might speak with someone you know or a newer team member who might not be as familiar with you yet. But anyone who takes the call will be able to get you the help you need by taking the information and submitting a ticket on your behalf. Once your ticket is created, we prioritize it on the severity and impact on your business. We completely understand that most issues can feel like an emergency, especially when it impacts your workflow. Rest assured, we do everything we can to address all issues as quickly as possible. We are committed to resolving your issue efficiently, and our team will keep you updated on its progress. You also can request access to track your tickets in the portal by using the link provided in the ticket email you receive. We appreciate your understanding as we work to ensure we address all client issues as timely and efficiently as we possibly can. So that's it. You're now ready to contact Braver Technology and enter a support ticket. If you have any questions or need assistance, reach out to us at support@bravertechnology.com or give us a call at one of our direct lines. Thanks for watching.